the best lightning protection solutions with lightning rods. Today every building is equipped with many sensitive electronic systems, thus they need to be protected from any unforeseen damage such as a lightning strikes. This is the reason more people are considering lightning rod protection than ever before. A lightning rod is installed on the roof of every building, schools, hospitals, healthcare facilities, airports, shopping centers, office buildings, manufacturing units, etc. In achieving the protection of any objects against lightning, the typical strategy is to install Franklin-era terminals, rods that come to a point at the top to capture or attract the lightning at a selected point by means of air terminations, and conducting its unnecessary energy directly to the earth through earth electrodes, with the resistance of less than 10 ohms, via low-impedance down conductors. Now the scenario has changed. With the advancement in technology, years of research and development and numerous tests in laboratory and in real lightning conditions as necessary, LEC has developed and patented the Dissipation Array System, DAS. Unlike the lightning rod which attracts and grounds the lightning, the DAS charge transfer technology eliminates the lightning strike within a protected zone. Let us explain. LEC's charge transfer system, patented as the Dissipation Array System or DAS, uses a naturally occurring, scientific phenomenon called point discharge to retard the collection of lightning within a finite protection zone. DAS does not attract the lightning. It's based on the theory of static charge dissipation, where the lightning rod protection is constructed in a way that the terminal does not respond to an approaching strike. Rather it prevents the formation of upward streamers that intercept a downward leader. Lightning rod protection by LEC is a combination of external and internal protection. External protection systems are installed to dissipate a direct lightning strike from the area of protection and reduce the causes of fire due to intense heating. Whereas an internal protection system protects electrical and electronic systems from transient and surge currents caused due to indirect lightning. Is your facility safe from a lightning strike? Talk to our LEC team today. We can evaluate your need for a lightning rod protection system and deliver the electrical solutions your business needs. Contact details. Address: 6687 Arapahoe Road, Boulder, Colorado 80303, USA. Email: info@lecglobal.com. Website: www.lightningprotection.com. Contact number: 303-447-28